Hi all, welcome to another Kenwood video. This is a Transporter T6. This one has had a serious amount of work. This has been with us for a week now, this vehicle. This has had the Kenwood DMX9 series, their flagship product. As good as it gets. Full integration to the vehicle. This one has got a nice, very nice carbon steering wheel as well. So this has got front camera, reversing camera, dash camera, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and a very, very good sound system to back it up. The screen quality on this HD product and the camera, as you can see, day and night vision, it's exceptionally good. Very, very wide aspect. It's the best that's out there. Thanks for watching.